Now, taking a look at questions 15, 16, it says write an equation to find the length of the missing side. Now, this is just like we had done the harder section a smidge ago. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. 15. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Gonna definitely need some help. 10 squared plus 24 squared equals c squared. Need somebody with a calculator handy fast. 10 squared, I know we all can do, it's 100. Who in here can raise around and tell me what 24 times 24, Jade? 576? Sweet, thank you. Equals c squared. That gives me 676 equals c squared. And also, please understand your directions say nearest tenth. I square root 676. Who can raise around and tell me what you get for your correct answer on 16? I think this is a nice clean one. Now, this relates really well. When they say perfect square, a perfect square means there's no decimal on it. It means it's a whole number. Hannah? It is 26. Last one down here. B is 15, C is 17. Now, you can't do an easy subtraction on here and call it 2 or anything like that. You're going to go off to the side. You're going to write a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. Okay, calculator time. Or if you got that long list tomorrow, use it. That's totally fine. What's your question? Oh, yeah. A squared. Now, who can raise around and tell me what's 15 times 15? Owen. 225. Thank you, man. And who can tell me 17 times 17? Jade. Now, here's where I have to slow down. If you have picked up your algebra skills of one-step and two-step equations, you get rid of plus 225 by subtracting 225, subtracting 225, and it gives me 4, 6, 64. That's sweet. It makes it easy. Square root of 64, 8. Now, last but not least, and I'm finally done. This is the last video I have to do for the day. This has also been the one that people ask the most questions on. Okay, go to your worksheet and find the section on the top of your page that had you answer all the yeses and nos. Those are called Pythagorean triples. The only thing you have to remember on a Pythagorean triple is A is the shortest, C is the longest. So when I do this, I'm going to write 60 squared plus 80 squared equals 100 squared. Okay, 60 times 60, 3,600. 80 times 80, 6,400. 100 times 100, 10000, gives me 100,000. Now, what's 100 times 100? 10,000. I'm sorry, yeah. I was double checking that. 10,000. Now, when you add these up, I'm going to get 10,000 equals 10,000. If these two numbers are equal, you can say yes. If they're different, you have to say no. Now, that question was a little easier because the numbers were in order from least to greatest. 18. Put 12 as A. 12 squared plus 13 squared equals 19 squared. Now, I don't know 19 squared, so you're going to have to help me. 12 squared times 12. 12 times 12 should be 144. 13 times 13 is 169. Who can tell me what 144 plus 169 is? Owen. 361. And last but not least, I need someone to tell me 19 times 19. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you tell me 19 times 19 is 361? That's 361. Now, over here, 144 plus 169, 313. Now, 313 is not equal to 361. Double check 144 and 169. Is it 313? Is it? Anytime you get the two numbers and it becomes not equal, you will just write no. Now, the key to that question, A is the shortest, C is the longest. Do all of your work. You're not finding a missing one. You're looking to see if the equal sign in the middle is truly equal. If your A squared plus B squared doesn't answer how much C squared is, write no. Now, you can't just write yes and no on those questions. We're going to be looking for all your work. It's 4 points a question.